क्या आपको याद है ऐसा कोई टीचर आपके लाइफ में जिसको आपका लाइफ का स्टोरी किसी ना किसी तरह पता था? हाँ या ना? डू यू नो अ टीचर लाइक दैट? When I see some no's, which basically means unfortunately some of your teachers didn't take the pain to understand your story. Is there yes? I don't see students as roll number. I don't see students as class number 4B, 6B, 8B. I don't see them as roll number. I see them as individuals. Now I'm going to bring in my own story, जहां पे my teacher did something for me which was very very amazing. From junior KG I was brought up in a boarding. मैं एक boarding में पढ़ता था, Father Agnel's in Vashi, Navi Mumbai, in Mumbai. And I didn't have a lot of money and we had to wear leather shoes. And on Wednesday हमको PT का जो white shoes यहाँ पर भी होता है PT, you have the white shoes we have to wear. The only problem is I didn't have the money and my mom didn't have the money. तो कभी-कभी I had to wear slippers to school and come. Because I used to sing a little well, तो बार-बार टीचर मुझे आगे बुलाती थी और बोलते गाना गा, और सब लोग ताली बजाते थे. The only challenge is जब भी मैं पीछे मुड़ता था, तो मेरा जो slippers था वो आधा टूटा हुआ था, broken था, और मैं शर्म के मारे किसी को दिखाना नहीं चाहता था ऐसे. My teacher, her name was Lata Miss. This is years back. I remember her name. She saw that. She never told me anything. I never asked her anything. Next day, morning में मुझे टीचर बुलाती है, Bobby? Bobby, right? Come here. Yes, teacher? Yeah, teacher, what happened? Beta, come here. I got a gift for you. Gift for me? आपको मेरा नाम भी पता है, teacher? Yes, beta, I know your name. Come here. Oh, yeah, ma'am. I got this stuff for you. White color box. क्या बात है? और क्या है अंदर? क्या है अंदर? You know, you see the surprise in children's eyes? Slowly open किया. Wow! It's a white color brand new shoes. I had not worn shoes for many days. I used to always wear slippers. I was surprised. I said thank you, but she just gave me a smile. I still remember chashma. I was so delighted. I want to ask you a question. Do you think she was a good teacher? Yes or no? But she read my story when I didn't even share my story. Is there a yes? A few days later, because I was in a boarding, I never had a toy to play. She came and brought me a toy train. And I was so, oh my God! क्या बात है यार? Life में कभी किसी ने gift दिया नहीं है. And it was exciting. आप मेरे साथ हैं? Are you excited? Do you know why you're excited? Because you just heard a story of an idiot like me. Somebody who was able to hear my story in the silence of my situation. Yes? And she was able to see that.